हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो बहुत ही जल्द हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं विद मैथमेटिक्स सिलेबस ऑफ अ प्रोफेशनल कोर्स दैट इज ICWA। यस, यू हर्ड इट करेक्ट, ICWAI, that is CMA, Cost and Management Accountant for Foundation course. So let us have a look at the syllabus. So one personal advice from my side to all the students who would be appearing for any stage in CMA course, that is either it is foundation, inter or final stage. So in any subject, any chapter, I would suggest you not to skip any topic. That means if you see the weightage over here, so you have 40 marks in fundamental of business mathematics and 60 marks in business statistics. So most of the student might think that I can cover the statistic portion of 60 marks and 20 any one chapter from this. That is, I can cover 80% of the syllabus and I can get through. But my personal advice would be to all the students that do not skip not even a topic. Forget about the chapter. You should not even think of skipping a topic in a professional course, because that knowledge, that understanding, where you can apply, you you don't know. And in a professional course, you are expected to know everything, and not only what is given in the books. You are expected to go beyond that. You are expected to read some additional books, some books written by an author, reputed author who has a detailed study on the subject. Okay, so keep this in mind. So looking at the weightage, so we have 40% in business mathematics and 60% in business statistics. So you have arithmetic 20%, which contains ratio, proportion and variation, and then simple and compound interest, then arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Then in algebra you have set theory, indices, log, permutation and combination, and quadratic equation. And in statistics you have statistical histogram, frequency, polygon, curve, Ogive curve, pie chart, then measure of central tendency and dispersion, then you have correlation and regression, and then probability. Okay, so for students who would be appearing foundation after 12th, so it would be they would have an advantage. They would have an advantage because they would have already learned these chapters in 11th and 12th. Okay, so very soon we would be starting with the problem solving. I will be individually solving all the problems, and in case if you guys have any doubts, or if you're not able to crack any question, or any you're stuck somewhere, you can reach me out to my WhatsApp group. The link is there in my on my channel, and also you can comment on any video of my channel and request me for the doubts, and I'll definitely make a video on your doubts and clear that as soon as possible. So see you soon guys, and let's do it. Okay, see you soon. Thank you.